Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by clarifying the goal for your index and why it must be creative. This shapes every choice. Once done, collect 3-5 visuals, concise headings, and metadata so you can iterate quickly. Make sure to pick a format now: single page, card grid, or interactive list, because your layout dictates navigation patterns. You'll also set naming conventions and a simple color palette. These small constraints speed creative decisions and keep the index consistent as you build the first prototype. You now structure the index by mapping a clear hierarchy: primary, secondary, and tertiary items, so users scan efficiently. Then design affordances, add icons, hover states, and microcopy that explain actions without clutter. Once that's set, prototype interactions like filters, sorting, and pagination. Test variations to see which preserves context best. Make sure to iterate visually and functionally together. Tweak spacing, labels, and animation timing until the index feels both playful and predictable. Because creativity, you finish by polishing visuals, refining copy, and testing across 3 screen sizes to confirm readability. Then instrument the index. Track click-through, time on index, and search success percentage to validate creative choices. Once launched, monitor feedback and make small revisions quickly. If things go wrong, slow loads, or broken interactions, switch to a simple list view with clear error messaging and disable heavy animations. This fallback preserves function while you debug and keeps users engaged in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.